Hello and welcome. I'm Mikah and I'm so happy you stopped by. Today we'll be exploring Ushas Mudra. Now mudras are basically yoga for your hands, or they're hand gestures that help facilitate energy moving through your body. And Ushas Mudra in particular is just wonderful for cultivating calm and clarity, mental clarity at the same time, these opposites, relaxation and alertness. So if you're wanting these feelings of positivity, if you feel like you need a fresh start, new beginning, then Ushas Mudra is wonderful to explore. It actually means dawn. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. Find a comfortable seat, maybe propping your hips up on a blanket, letting your pelvis spill over the edge of the blanket or block. And interlace your fingers into Ushas Mudra. It's a loose interlacing of the fingers, resting the back of your hands on your lap, and the thumbs can graze or not. Ushas means dawn, and it's the gesture of new beginnings and fresh starts. On your next inhale, just imagine that you're breathing in fresh energy, new perspective. And on your exhale, simply soften. Inhale, feel that uplifting energy move through you and a sense of vitality. And exhale, feel serenity, allowing you to relax. Inhale, lighten and lift. And exhale, once again, feel that serenity wash over you. Continue breathing this way. And now repeat after me silently to yourself. I will experience each moment fully and joyfully. I will experience each moment fully and joyfully. One more time, I will experience each moment fully and joyfully. Notice for a moment how you feel. Allow yourself to feel that sense of joy. And draw your palms together in front of your heart. Rub them together, creating heat and energy. And then place your palms over your eyes, slightly cupped, feeling that heat and energy being passed on to the rest of your body. Take a big breath in here, and on your exhale, release your hands down to your lap, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me. I hope you feel renewed and refreshed.